We're always looking for healthy and tasty breakfast recipes, and today I'm going to show you a low-carb, gluten-free, delicious spinach cheese omelette. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the spinach cheese omelette, first I'm going to cook the spinach. To the pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. I've taken 1 large garlic chopped. To this I've added 1 small onion thinly sliced, half green chilli chopped, once the onions have turned transparent, I'm just adding a few spinach leaves. Make sure you wash them clean and pat them dry. You don't want it too wet. Now cook this, I'm just cooking this on low flame. I'm just going to half cook the spinach leaves. When the leaves are half cooked, just sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much, just to season it. And some fresh crushed pepper. So the quantity of spinach I've used is only for 1 serving, that is just to make 1 omelette. So if you want to make more, make sure you add more spinach and a little more onions. The spinach is cooked, turn off the stove and keep it aside. For the omelette, I've taken 2 eggs. I'm going to season the eggs with a little salt, some pepper, one tablespoon of water. Whisk the eggs nicely. To the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Just spread it across the pan. Before pouring the eggs, just whisk it another time. Pour the eggs. Now add the cooked spinach over the egg. Keep the flame on low. Gently flip it to the other side. Looks perfect. I'm just going to add some cheese. Turn off the stove. You don't want to overcook the omelette. So I'm using processed cheese. So you can use any cheese of your choice. You can use Parmesan or cheddar. So there you go, here is this delicious spinach cheese omelette. This makes for a very delicious breakfast recipe. It's loaded with protein and it gives you a lot of energy throughout the morning. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.